Hello there, warriors. Let me remove this thingy to episode number 12 of the open source project reviews. And today we don't have many projects. Let me check it out here to add my screen. It's 33 for now, and if I refresh, it is 33 still. And you still have time to submit your project. So all you gotta do is to go to the review.thehorde.dev and there go to the submit project and just submit your project on this screen. Let me put the dark mode. I know you guys love dark mode. Today Nintendo theme. And let's see who do we have here in chat. Mr. J, my man, how are you doing? Alem, awesome to see you guys. Also Alper, Mr. Alper, how are you doing, guys? All good? And one more thing, we have a new thing for the review. I created quickly an API, and you can actually now submit your projects through an API. So it is really easy. It's just one post API endpoint, and you need to put name of your project, GitHub repo URL, a description, and it is just being added directly here inside of this pool. So you can now do it even like somehow automatically if you want to schedule maybe every Thursday to add your project or something like that. It is possible. So if you don't want to go like every week and submit your projects, so it was, I think was really an interesting project for me to create this one quickly, and it was Shadow Arcanist was asking for this one. I don't know if he's here. And oh, we have Anastas here. Hey man, really nice to see you. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Awesome. Ah, there he is. I was just talking about you. And this is for you, man, this API endpoint. So you can now assign it. And I thought that I'm going to see like 100 projects like on this live stream because I added that API, but no, it's only 33. So, okay. I hope it will be more during this live stream. Also, guys, join the Discord channel. One project will be picked from the Discord channel. So go on join.thehorde.dev. That is your invitation directly to the Horde. We are almost on 1,000 members. Can't wait for that one. And shall we begin? Oh, haven't used the API yet. Okay. Yes, I want to see here at least 50. Awesome. And turning on the Orc Machine. Let's go. First project of the day. Let's see who is that going to be. Picking a project. Seeing here already some projects I know. Okay, we have Rata. What's that? A beautiful terminal-based to-do list application built with Rust and Ratatouille. Okay, let's see it. This one is for Francesco. I don't know if we are going to summon him with this one. And oh, that is Jay. Is it possible that you're picked as the first project right here? Rata, okay. So first thing, 0 stars, no description, no website or anything. And this is a new project, I would say. Is started yesterday, right? Yeah, all commits from yesterday. So this is a new project from our favorite the Horde member Jay. And let's see what does it do. Oh, I like the logo, this emoji like of the rat. So it's Rata, maybe not Rata. Okay, let's see. You can write Jay if you have some URL for this one. So a beautiful terminal-based to-do list application built with Rust and Ratatouille. The application features a split pane layout. So we have here this layout right here. It's old school. I love it. I love these CLIs and all those things. So we have a to-do list. And as you can see here, so we can move with arrows, enter to toggle, D to delete, and we can add our to-dos. We can see here, convert every developer to use Rust, make Rust default language for everyone, and Rust is great. Okay, and we have, so a top pane is a to-do list with selection highlighting. And here we have, I see add new. This screenshot is a little bit weird. This one could be probably better to describe it a little bit better. And so that's the bottom one, and that's to add a new to-do input field, green border when focused. Okay. And we have here features, installation usage, etc. So I guess this is local for now. So we have exciting plans to enhance Reta with dashboard analytics, progress graph, statistic pane, chart integration, enhanced features. Okay, and then improvements, add to-do editing capabilities. Okay, so there is nothing special now currently. This is a new project. I like this one made with Crab and Rust and Heart from Redeem Coders. I should steal this one for my README files. So what could you do here? Yeah, it's under development. I can see that one. And yeah, no website, no anything. Okay, so basically for now, I mean, this is the beginning of your project, so I get it why you don't have yet the description and things like that. But so first thing, add here a description that is describing what kind of app this is. Here, then, I like this Reta and the logo, and you can just copy paste this one inside the description, this line right here. And the preview here is, this is a good start, but you should probably have a little bit better screenshot than this, because it's showing normally this top pane, but it's not showing the bottom one. Maybe you should put two screenshots, or it's okay totally to put two screenshots, or you can just make a better screenshot like of the entire thing and put it here as the first screenshot. And these future plans look really interesting. So we have the progress graphs, statistics, and all that stuff. And for that, I think you need a landing page to show it off a little bit better and to like promote it. So that definitely think about that, to create something so people can come check it out. You're following like all these live streams with the reviews. You know that it is really good to have a demo button where people go and they check out how is it looking, the statistics and everything, and to try it out themselves. So I think that is really important for this kind of app. Other than that, it's really cool. Like you have here your to-do list that you can create inside of the CLI, which is really special. I love it. And that's basically it. I love that it is in Rust. I'm really curious, like, what is your experience now with Rust? Is this, you probably got this one from Francesco's content, and like from 1 to 10, could you tell us how hard it was to create Rust application like this? Oh, awesome, you will make a landing page. Hey, Chendai, nice to see you. Really curious, like how hard this one was. And other than that, I think you're on the right track. Just continue with this one. This is going to be one, I think, really interesting side project. And yeah, post about it on the Horde Discord. I'm really curious about this one. Awesome. Let's see how many projects we have right now. Refreshing. It is going over a little bit over 30, 34. Okay, nice. So turning on the Orc Machine again. Let's pick another project. Oh, we have Big Manu here on the stream. Welcome, welcome. Nice to see you, man. So picking a project from our pool here. Let's see, what are we going to pick? We have my open code. I'm not the owner, but I think this source code is great if you ignore it, and my advice is to skip reading the README. Oh my God, okay. Doesn't sound really good, but let's see. 20,000 stars. Oh my god. Oh my open code. The best agent harness meets Sisyphus. The batteries included agents that codes like you. Interesting. I don't know. I never heard about this one. I don't know about you, chat. Has anyone heard about this project? I mean, it's pretty big. 20,000 stars, 64 contributors. So this is one really big project. Okay. And how old it is? Let's see. We have some last month. Let's see, 1,310 commits. So it is probably like over a month old. Is it possible that it is that it has that kind of stars? It's I don't see any file that is like really old right here. Only like last month. Okay, let's see the README file. Although we had the warning that we shouldn't read the security warning, impersonation site. ohmyopencode.com is not affiliated with this project. What the heck? We do not operate or endorse that site. Oh my open code is free and open source. Don't download installers or enter payment details on third-party sites that claim to be official. What the heck is going on right here? So we have here Sisyphus is the agent that codes like your team. We're building a fully productized version of Sisyphus. So somebody took the ohmyopencode.com and they are trying to get money based on this open source free project. What in the name? Like, this is really crazy. Okay, so let's see. The orchestrator is now available in beta on my open code 3.0 beta, and they have a Discord community. And okay, this is the thing I wanted to see. So we have here some kind of CLI, and it's using, we can see here Claude Opus 4.5. And basically it's, yeah, this is like open source, open code. Yeah, this is really nice. This is really good. So we are bringing, I guess, our API keys for Claude code, like Anthropic API key, and then we are using it directly inside of this terminal right here that they are providing. So we have auth access notice. This README file is really like not organized as it should be. So, okay, so the first thing here is this warning, and I mean, that's justified. This is really important. If people took this domain right here, it's important to know that those are not these guys. Then we have this image right here. Sisyphus is the agent that codes like your team, the best agent for real production. And I'm not sure, like, this screenshot right here, image, whatever it is not saying that much about the project itself. So we are not seeing anything here that we would use. It's just showing like this merge right here and some fit commands, etc. And here we see the orchestrator. And what is this showing? So we see a little bit of some work here with some orchestration tasks and things like that. This one is okay. I would leave this one, but this one definitely not saying that much. Like, this Sisyphus is the agent. It can be literally just one title right here, and then the real screenshot, I think, would be preferable. Okay, let's see is there, oh no, they don't have like the real domain or something. That's really strange. Like 20,000 stars, they don't have some kind of landing page or something to show off what they have. I mean, how are we even official downloads here in the releases? So we are downloading it directly from GitHub. That's interesting. I think that's definitely a mistake here. They could have much more users and they could provide more support and everything if they had a real landing page where you can download and read all this stuff, and not only through the README file, especially because of these guys that took all my open code. Yeah. And reviews. It made me cancel my cursor subscription. Unbelievable things are happening in the open source community. Yeah, this is, I mean, this is really cool, but I think it is not explained enough. We are not seeing here anywhere like how to use it exactly. We have like the Discord community and all that, but I think we should have here a step-by-step process, how to install it, how to use it, how to add our own API keys, what are like some features and things like that. I guess we have it now here in the contents. Start with your chat endless extendable. Okay. No, this is really, this is hard to read. Like we have Greek mythology and teammates and all these things. It's really hard to read. And half of this is some mythology and half of this is some technical terms. And I think it should be simplified. I mean, it is cool. We all love cool things, but it needs to be here now. We are getting to something. So for LM agents, fetch the installation guide, uninstallation features. Okay. So we have agents, Sisyphus, Prometheus, Oracle, Librarian, everything like some kind of Greek mythology. Then we have background agents, LSP and AST tools for refactoring, rename, and author's note. Okay, I think there are many here unanswered questions about this application that we need answered, like maybe some kind of frequently asked questions section or something like that. I think definitely a landing page is needed for this tool for all my open code. I mean, these 20,000 stars, this is really incredible. This is impressive. And hats off for that one, but you definitely need to describe a little bit better this tool and to create some kind of tutorials. Maybe a video here would be even good, something that you can like go through this process, how to do everything like for beginners. I mean, not only for beginners, I'm not sure now. Guys, do you know like exactly how to use this one now from the like first from how to start immediately? I'm really not sure directly how to start now. I know like here to download, and then I would have to probably like adapt and survive in order to use it. But yeah, really, really interesting project. Yes, that's a good one. I don't also know what. Let's see what language are they using actually. TypeScript and JavaScript. Interesting. I was imagining here Python for something like this. Okay. Oh, we have Edu here. Hello, Edu, my man. Let's continue. Let's go to the next project. This one was interesting. Let's see how many projects do we have now. It is 36. Awesome. Let's go. Picking a project just to turn on the Orc Machine. Are you ready? Let's see who do we have now. So we have, oh my God, somebody submitted ABCN. Oh, Jay. Yaos is a modern, beautifully designed web platform that brings together the most valuable open source resources in one place. Whether you're building your next SaaS, portfolio, or side project, Yaos helps you discover the perfect tools and components to accelerate your development. Okay, so now this should be one really good project. Let's see. And congratulations on this one. Let's review this one good. So 0 stars for this kind of project. And we have here exactly the same description. And we can see that the project is 1 month old or something like that. So pretty fresh. And here we have a title and oh, that means yet another open source. Nice. I didn't realize this one until now. Good. And so this is a big title and we have a screenshot showing off these resources inside of the EOS app. And we can see React Bits, 8BTN, Forge UI, Cooked Folio, etc. So this one is looking nice for now. I like the design. I see already that it's some kind of Versailles design. And here we have again, I think the same sentence like here, yes, and features, curated UI libraries, developer tools, and portfolio templates. And categories. So these are is this like here we are basically repeating the same thing. So we have UI libraries and we have UI libraries. We have developer tools and we have again developer tools. Portfolio templates and again portfolio templates. So this one should like you could remove these features probably and leave only categories. Built with Next.js, Tailwind CSS, Lucid, Vercel, okay, and contributing guide, star history, and acknowledgements and contact. Okay. README is pretty solid. I like it. Maybe it could be like, maybe you could put a short description under this title right here, just something short to describe what's going on. And maybe even this one, maybe this could just be on top. And we have yaos.vercel.app. Let's check it out. So here we have, let's go dark mode. We have UI libraries, portfolios, tools, and other. And we can go through all these libraries. Okay, and we can go see more. I guess on see more, we can, is it working? No. Let's refresh. Oh, okay, it is now. I don't know what happened. Let's try one more time. See more. Now it's working. Okay. So we have here 6 different UI libraries. When we click on see more, and we can go back home. Same thing for portfolio templates and for tools. And this one is just going home. And we can add something ourselves. Not sure about this one. Like people could add bunch of garbage. I don't know if you have some kind of system for tracking out if those like things are really UI libraries or portfolio templates, etc. That would be probably smart thing to do. And one more thing, I cannot get out now of this model window. Because that's a completely new page, add. I thought that's like a model. So it would be good probably like add could be just one dialogue from ShedCN and going over everything here. Or if don't you maybe you want to for it to be a page, then you can just put a back button here or here or wherever it makes sense for you to return back, because I didn't realize this was a completely new page. So you could hear it looks a little bit empty. I know it should be minimalistic, but it looks like just one mistake I found here inside of how to check it. I'll move it on here. No, I cannot. You see here that this border right here is bold. It's more width than the one on top. So that one is visible really like this. I don't know if you see it here. Like this border is like 3 pixels and this one is 2 pixels or 1, 2 or something like that. It's probably double border on this side right here. And you could add here many things. Like some ideas now currently is search. And can you say, Jay, maybe what are you planning exactly for this project? I'm really curious. Like, do you have some ideas for new features? I think that here on See More, if you have like 15 plus libraries, it will be pretty hard to check out everything. And here on Visit, I guess we are going on the GitHub. But this one should be target blank to go on a new tab, so we don't get out of the EOS app. And view components list is, components list is actually listed here. That's pretty nice. Okay, so we have here a list of all components from the UI library. And how did you handle that one on ad? Registry name. Are you picking this one from the registry when we are adding it automatically? That's pretty cool, I must say. So you're getting the components list based on the registry, right? And we see here Mr. Francesco. Welcome, Loktarogar. Thank you, thank you. And yes, search and AI. So what are you planning with AI? So you can ask AI to get you a perfect thing for your project. Oh, you mean I as an ABCN creator? Oh, damn, I accidentally unplugged my camera. Let me just return it back. So I as a creator can just like, am I back? No? Damn. I need to unplug it completely like this. And now it should be good. I unplugged the camera accidentally with my leg. Let me just return it back. So here I'm going to this one, then this one. Yes. Video AI will steal your bad code. You can select components to generate a single command to add all the components to your project. Okay, that one is interesting. Let me see. Why is my camera not working? Stupid thing. Should I go like from my MacBook Pro camera? Oh, actually, none of these cameras are working. Interesting. Layouts, camera. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you confirm that you can hear me? Maybe everything is like messed up. Oh, awesome. You can hear me. Okay. So, how to return this one back? Let me see. Let me turn it off and on. Are we back? No? I'm turning it off and on. It's not working. Damn thing. Really weird that it is not. It has something to do with the cable, but I don't know what. How can I, if I refresh, I think I will destroy the live stream. Yes. I'll try to refresh, guys. If nothing, I'll just go live again. Okay, it is working. I just needed to refresh. Damn software and damn web developers and everyone. Okay, sharing the screen. Are we back? Can you hear me? No, you can't hear me. Or you can hear me. You can hear me. Awesome. Are we back? We are back. we are promoting Yaos, the app from our awesome guy, Jay, Radium Coders. Okay, so yeah, this is a little bit more than I thought in the first thing. So we have here, why is this view command dead? I'm wondering, oh, because it needs to be first clicked here. Oh, nice. Yes, I see this one. So we can add here multiple components, then view command, and we are adding it. But are you sure this one is good? PMPX, shed CN latest add. Oh, it looks good, I guess. It's actually no, it should be PMPM DLX shed CN latest add and then 8-bit CN input. I'm not sure if this one is working correctly. Let's try it out. We can try it out quickly. So here inside of my org project review, I'll try to add that one. And oh, it is actually working. Nice. So it is adding actually all the components that we checked there, and we added, yeah, we have here, yeah, we have 8-bit input, text area select, dialog popover. Nice. So it is working. Nice. That one is good. And okay, this is really impressive feature. I like this one. So we could come here, like, I don't know if you saw now that shredcn added a new command, and that one is to add a registry. So you could add also the same one here. So you could like pick React bits, 8-bit CN, and Forge UI, and then you click add registries for those three, and then you can use MCP in order to build it with AI or something like that. Now you have like 1 million ideas from here. You definitely need search. I think that search is here. Like definitely use Nux for that one and use search. I don't know what you wanted to do with AI. Like not sure what's the, I mean, you can always find a use case for AI, but I don't know what's the use case exactly here. So I would really like to know more about that. And yeah, definitely more features for this one. Yeah, maybe it's the StreamYard thingy. I don't want to touch it now. It's working, so let's leave it like that. And okay, so here, like this could be maybe some kind of list page, and you could have some kind of landing page for this one. I'm thinking now about that one, like maybe it would be better to market it to have some kind of landing page and not go directly to here. So you could have something like your favorite libraries, tools, etc. for devs, and then go to this page, which is some kind of list or showcase or something. And homepage actually to be something different. But I like the design. I like that it is like this minimalistic, and that it has that like the black and white thing. I really love that one. And oh, here we are missing the what happened? We are missing the borders. Is this one good now? Not sure if it should look like this on light mode. But really interesting. I think that you need to put in the search. That one is important. You need to add more libraries so you can promote it on X by tagging people. For example, you can say, hey, David, I placed React bits and check it out. It's here. And then he can reshare it, etc. I think that's really important. It's good for you to market your application, to get visits on Yaos. I think that's really important. And yet another open source is a pretty cool name. I really like that one. That's a good idea. I really love it. And you should definitely create some kind of logo for this one. For Reta, you had really good inspiration for logo. Here also you could like use AI to to think of something really cool for yet another open source logo. I think that would be pretty cool. And other than that, I really like the project, and it can be used actually for the Horde, for what we are planning to build. So this is maybe some kind of good start for something like that. We'll talk more about that on the Discord channel. Awesome. Okay, let's go. I'll be the first star on your project. Let's see how many projects we have now. So we have whoa, what happened? I think that Shadow Arcanist did his magic. 50 projects, awesome. And oh, while Francesco is saying it, next project, so not this one right now, this one will be picked with the Orc Machine, but after that one, we'll pick the project from the Discord channel. So make sure to go to join.thehorde.dev, and here, let me show you. So here inside of the live submissions, I am now going to put this line, and beneath that line, you can just paste in your GitHub repo. And we are going to pick project from here for the live review. But now we are going to turn on the Orc Machine again. Let's do it to pick another project. Damn, Shadow Arcanist, you're crazy. We're going to have like 1,000 projects from now on, when you start doing everything with your machines. Awesome. Thanks, Shadow. Let's go with the next one. Picking a project. Let's see what are we going to get. Francois was even talking about putting the automatic submit when he starts some project. That would be cool. Git invite. Open source website that allows users to generate secure and protected GitHub repository. Invite links with Git invite users can easily share access to their repositories. Okay, this sounds interesting. 5 stars, abandoned project. It had 11 commits 2 years ago, and it's, I don't know who is this. Let's see it. So here we have the same thing, and in the README, we don't have some kind of screenshot or something like that. That would be really good, so we can see how is that invite looking. So here we have the same sentence. Current status, beta stage, so they never went out of this beta. It's a pity to see something like that. So we can generate invite links, easily create invite links that give collab. I mean, GitLab has this feature already. I'm not sure. Is it possible that GitHub doesn't have like an invite link? Now I cannot remember, but I guess they don't, because this one was created. All invite links are securely generated and protected. Cancel invite links, revoke, and collaborate with these. So we need to sign in to GitHub account, select a repo, and generate an invite link. Share the link with your intended collaborators. This sounds cool. This is really good for open source. So let's check it out. How does it look on the landing page? Git invite. Welcome back. So I need to sign in directly. And I don't want to do that. Okay, so here there should be some kind of demo, not demo, but just a showcase. How is everything looking? Maybe the process, step by step. Just this thing right here that we saw. So this one, but visualized. I think that would be pretty cool. Just like steps inside of this landing page before we sign in with our GitHub. Because I don't want to sign in with my GitHub right now. So that's why it should be better to, before asking someone to sign in, to showcase something like what are they getting, and then there is a bigger chance for someone to actually sign in to the project. So I think that's really important. Then, like, we don't have anything now to check here on this page, unfortunately. So there is nothing other than this page right here. And I can see that the project is abandoned 2 years ago, the last commit, and that was probably like the first commit. So this is maybe some kind of side project that someone started and they never finished it. But life goes on, shift happens. So, okay, interesting project. solving interesting problem. We could share links and something like that, but let's move on. Okay, let's see if Shadow Arcanist was crazy right here. 52. Okay, it's not that bad. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. I know it's you, Isian. Okay, let's continue. Picking a project. Let's get something. Oh, 8-bit CN. It would be so amazing to review my own project. ShipSec Studio. It's a no-code security automation platform for security teams. Damn, I forgot to do it first through the Discord. Okay, post on Discord. Oh my God, we only have 2 projects. Now, if here you don't have a chance, like when will you get a chance? So you have 10 more seconds to post here to Discord the link of your GitHub repo. If not, we are going with those 2. So here I'm putting in the random number component on our landing page, this one. And how is this functioning? We're putting a number and it is just getting a random number out of this number. So let's see again. If we have more, we have 3 and J again. So let's go with 3. 2. Okay, and number 2 is, who is number 2? It's Edu with the Grid CN UI. And that's his new project, if I believe it correctly. Yes, it is. Okay. An authentic Tron Ares inspired theme system for ShedCN UI. Now, this is really impressive project. I saw this one. I didn't know that you placed it already as open source. Awesome. So the grid CN, and we can see already from this screenshot that this one is going to be amazing. I like this one. I like that it's inspired by Tron and it is looking really awesome. These colors and everything and gradients, this is really next level. So we can see here the overview. The Grid CN is a comprehensive design system that brings the iconic visual language of Tron arrays to modern web development. Built on top of ShedCN UI, it provides 50 plus fully styled components. 6 Grid God inspired themes. I love this one. This is amazing. Can't wait to show you to you guys. And movie accurate UI elements. And okay, so it is using Three.js under the hood. That's really interesting. So 6 unique themes, 50 plus components, movie UI elements, 3D effects, and Glow utilities, TypeScript theme switching. Okay, nice. Let's check it out. Oh my God. Check this one. Like, I don't know where to look. Like, this is not, can you believe, guys, that this is not an image? This is an actual font. You see me highlighting this one. Classified project. Like, we can go here. Where are these themes? These themes are sick. We have Ares, God of War. Then we have this Tron theme, which is this blue one. Then we have this CLU. Man, this is like Athena. This is, this orc theme, where I'm going to call this one orc theme. Man, this is sick. Like, I haven't seen anything like this, like built for web. It's maybe we could talk about like React bits and things like that, but it is not the same. This is like a UI component library. It's not really like some kind of background thing. And I mean, also React bits is also a UI library, but this is really something different. So let's check out the components. So going to the components, and is this link working? Application error. Okay, a client-side exception has occurred. Interesting. Let's try to refresh. Okay, now it is working. Okay, so under development, data card, alert banner, timer. Man, this is awesome. I have to build something with this. Like, check this. How awesome does it look? Stat, speed indicator. Is this one doing something? No. Radar. Man, look at this component. Like, I have to put this one somewhere. This is amazing. accordion alert. So here we have all the components from shed CN, badge, breadcrumb. Let me see a button. Oh, look at the button. Like bringing those gradients around the button when we go. No, this is amazing. Like Edu, good job on this one. This is really like I haven't seen something like this before. This is something totally different. Like we could talk about 8-bit CN. Just kidding. It's not like it's not similar, but so okay. You have this is awesome. It's really good. I love the library. Let's talk about some problems. So this is obviously some kind of alpha, beta, or something like that. So for here we have this problem with letters, for example. Another thing that I think you don't have, I don't see it anywhere. You don't have light mode, right? I don't see anywhere light mode. You have these awesome looking themes, which are really good, but I don't see anywhere light mode. No, nowhere. I mean, maybe I'm so lost. Anyone seeing here a light dark mode switch? I think there is no light mode here because it's thrown and that's it. I mean, that's cool, but it's like it should have, I think, light mode somehow. And let's see those movie UI elements. Oh, this is actually not working. Okay. These features could be clickable. Like you could here go to components, movie UI elements, to theme variants here. Also here, oh no, it's 6. I thought it's 5. I mean, I know it's these glow utilities cannot be clickable, but those 3 can. Tech stack, Next.js, what? 14? This this cannot be true. It gotta be like 16. You created this one like a week ago. Next, yeah, 16.1.1. So this is a mistake right here. Shed CNUI, 3JS. Okay, let's see those movie components. I'm interested in that one. Were those like those grid CN components? What are actually movie components? Where can we see that one? Let me see. I need to fix a lot of things. Yeah, no light in the grid. Yeah, I mean, I know this is like some kind of alpha still. This is not the final version, but still, it is looking like really good. Just where are the movie components? Or maybe I should ask, what are the movie components? So here, I guess these, like grid CN, that we are seeing right here, this radar and everything. Oh, yes, yes. So these are the movie components. Nice. There are here like many things that you could add. Like imagine components from the Alien movie, components from the Prometheus. You could still, I was watching one really interesting talk on the Web in Malaga this year. And it was about these strange interfaces and some crazy interfaces. And the guy was rebuilding interfaces from Alien, from sci-fi movies. So you could do basically the same thing, but in the Shed CN way. And you're already doing it. I mean, you're just using Tron, but you can use probably many more movies for this one right here. I really love it. And let me see, where is the... Oh, we have here even some options which are not working for me currently. Let me try something else. Oh, everything is dead right now. Let me refresh components. So here, yeah, we can change these things. Awesome. How to add the component? Do we have here the shed CN command? I don't see it anywhere. Add. I don't know if I'm blind, but maybe that one is like in progress, probably still coming. Yeah, same. Yeah, I'm looking for the same thing. A lot of new UI stuffs, that new JavaScript frameworks. Yeah, but this is something that we can actually use. It's not like JavaScript framework that we maybe use. but you can now literally use this one. We could put like the radar thing here without any problems if we had, of course, the registry command. So this is something that can be really used, and it's not something that is like a JavaScript framework. It is good that we have this big ecosystem of UI libraries that are coming up. The registry is there, but I'm trying it still, so it's not visible. Okay, yeah, we're going to. I can't wait to try that one. Please ping me when you finish the registry so I can try to get these components on my side to see how does it look. Also, that part with light mode, like what happens if I put like this radar here? How will it look in light mode? Who knows, but who cares? I want to try it out. Awesome. So I really wish you luck on this project. I think it is really awesome. I love it. And I don't know why is this happening. Whenever I click something, it just breaks. So I have to refresh. You see, you should probably check out your logs. I don't know where you're deploying it, but it's probably something silly when we are redirecting to somewhere, we are changing routes. But other than that, I really love the project. It is really looking awesome, and can't wait to see like what are you going to build with this one. This is really amazing. I'm really glad that I picked up this project. And let me see again, README file right here. Yeah, this one is really awesome. So you're putting and you could also put here like for 6 unique themes, you can also put themes here. I mean, this is very visual project, and you should definitely showcase it as much as possible. I mean, this is for X, perfect. Like when you start sharing this one on X, it will be amazing, like with views and everything. Awesome. Thank you for sharing this one with us, Edu. And let's see, I was working on a transition between pages, and in the end, I didn't upload it. I must have left something. Yeah, probably something. Yeah. It's no biggie. This is just a review. Just fix those things and ship it. Can't wait to see it on X. I want to see this man with a silver button by the end of 2026. Yes, come on. I need that silver button this year. I'm so close. Okay, let's refresh again. Oh, actually, not refresh. We have this ShipSec Studio, so we have to check that one out because I picked it before the Discord. Let me just remove this random number. Okay, so what is this ShipSec thing? Workflow automation for security teams. 65 stars and a lot of commits. So this is some project that is, we have 8 contributors, and Claude is number 4. And it is like something like 3 months old or something like that. And we have here ShipSec AI. Execution precise. Coverage total. Security fortified. Reliability unbreakable. So ShipSec Studio, open source security workflow orchestration platform. There are so many orchestration platform going on right now. And I think Shadow Arcan is like that sentence for new JavaScript frameworks. That should probably be for the orchestration platforms. So many things we have right now, and everything is looking like this. So we have some things that we are drag and dropping, and we are controlling our orchestration. And I haven't really tried out any of those platforms like yet in some, let's say, big way. I just like took a glimpse of those. So here we have core pillars, durable resumable workflows powered by temporal IO for stateful execution across failures, isolated security runtimes, unified visual no-code builder. Okay. So we have deployment option with Docker, which is really good. So we can just get this Docker image and run it locally without any problem. And how are we putting again our API keys? Let's see on their landing page. Here we should get some better overview. Okay, sign in. We don't want to sign in. We want to see. There is no way for us to see anything without logging in. You should definitely here create a landing page. showcasing what you have. So that's really important for such a project like this. So I can see exactly what can I do with all these workflows and secret schedules, etc. So I think that's really important. And what is happening here? This is maybe a bug. I'm seeing that new workflow only on workflow builder, and maybe this one should be hidden as well when you are not logged in. And oh, dark mode. Look at that. I never saw a transition like this from light to dark mode. Interesting. Okay, so definitely a landing page showcasing your workflow builder, putting this video that you have here in the README file as well. You can put like a hero section, normal hero section, like a big title with a video on the middle. Like you can put on top, go to the dashboard or whatever this is, so you can try it out to sign in. So don't force people to sign in from the first, like when they come to this landing page. So definitely think about some landing page. And here inside of the README file, let's check this. This is on YouTube. Okay. So here we can see a little bit of those workflows. So we can create a workflow. Here we can, let's see, trigger manual scheduled. We can do something. So 2 nodes, we have, oh, okay, now it's 5 nodes. Yeah, so we can orchestrate what is happening, and there are many projects now currently like this, especially those orc projects. I don't know if you guys saw that Warcraft thing that some guys building, like orchestrating the agents and everything through the game. I'm really curious to try out that one when it is out. I think that one will be really interesting. And okay, so here you could put also an image of your orchestration, like screenshot of this, maybe with some arrows, like what can people do and things like that. And other than that, it's really an interesting project. And that's it. So main thing is create a landing page and put here a screenshot so people can see what are they getting actually from this project. And this one also, I don't know if this is necessary, this image right here. It is looking cool, but not sure if it is like telling enough what is happening in this project. Awesome. Let's see how many projects we have right now. So we have 50 and 4. Nice. Awesome. How are you guys doing? Let me hear you in the chat. You're so quiet today. And let's turn on, let's see what's the time. We have time for one more project. So turning on the Orc Machine. Okay, last project for today. Picking a project right now. 54 was the last number. And blocks.so. Okay, I know this project. An open source project, library of UI blocks, built with React, Tailwind, and Shredcien. So we have, again, a UI blocks library. It's from Duncan, my man right here. And let's see how does it look. So here we have this fancy image of blocks. So first, let's see the stars. 1,400 stars. Impressive, really nice. And we have 7 contributors. And this is Shredcien himself. Oh my, awesome. And this is project for like 10 months ago, something like that, like 1 year old. So it's here for a while. And here we have this image. This is cool. It is looking minimalistic and nice, but I think this one should be changed. So I think that here you should have a showcase of your components. So you have many blocks that are really good. you could fit them right here. Like here, you can put your card, here's something else, here's something else. And you could also leave these blocks. So there is no problem with leaving these blocks. It's just that you need to put in here your blocks so other people can see it. So it's not only like this one right here, because this one is not saying that much. We saw that these are blocks already here. Then we have usage. So to use these blocks, configure your components or JSON. This one is not necessary anymore. This one is added automatically with ShredCN, so you can remove this one. Then add blocks, yeah. So this is the only thing basically they need to do. There is no need for that first command, right? For this one to put in manually in components.json. And okay, so that's all inside the README file. Let's see the blocks.so. So we have here one pretty nice landing page, building blocks for the web, clean, modern building blocks. Oh, look at this. This is like some cameo egg. Nice. Copy and paste into your apps. And we can see a glimpse here of the blocks. I like that one, that immediately on the landing page, we can see these blocks, and we see that it works on all React frameworks, and it is open source. This is also good. I could also put this one maybe on 8-bit-CN. This is a good idea, actually, these badges. And here we have now our components. So we have AI components, command menu, dialogues. Let's check out AI components, for example. So here, let me turn on the dark mode, you guys. Where is the dark mode? I don't see it. No dark mode. Is it possible? No, it's impossible. Like these all should work in dark mode as well. No, I think there is no dark mode. Interesting. How is that possible? I don't know, but there is no dark mode. So here we have this AI chat with voice input. And this one is looking nice. Maybe a little bit too shadowy, but it is looking nice. Then we have the AI chat with model selection. So we can get all these with one simple command, and that's the most important thing. So that's the ShredCN way of doing it. So we copy this command, we put it inside of our terminal, and it is working automatically inside of our project. And that is really awesome. We can use it like immediately. Okay, let's see other blocks. Let's see, for example, form layouts. This is nice. I love these form layouts like this. So you can have some things like contact form or something like that. Oh, this one also. Yeah, this one is also looking good. And form with plan selection. Nice. Yeah, this is also like some kind of pricing section in the same time. Okay, let's see the onboarding. So send your first document, create a reusable table, invite your team, customize your branding. So we have here all the steps. Okay, this one is simple. And we have, let's see, stats. Stats with trending, stats with borders, stats with card layout. Okay, nice. Yeah, everything is pretty minimalistic and it is looking good. It is not something like very attractive or something that is crazy like React Bits or something like that. But it is looking good. It is good for some SaaS products, for some like dashboard pages and things like that to add these cars. I could maybe use something like this. This is really cool, like segmented progress. I haven't seen something like this before in these blocks. So let's see. What could we add here? I think first thing, definitely dark mode. Like people want to see dark mode, and that's a must. I don't know if I like, for example, let me try it in another browser. If I have dark mode already, is it no? So there is no dark mode on this project. That is really like I cannot believe it that there is no dark mode. I did inspect an HTML style to dark. It made it dark mode. Yeah, I think yeah it would make it definitely dark mode, and the default is light. Yeah, but strange that we don't have the toggle. That's really interesting. And so that's the first thing that is definitely needed. Then here maybe you could pick up everything a little bit to top, like these building blocks to be like here. So you can showcase even more components right here. So you don't have this blank space. I mean, I know you are like a cosmetics guide. You like everything to look good, but try it out. Maybe it would be better. So you could see, like people could see more components when they come for the first time on the landing page. I don't know what is this registry button. Okay, this one is this one. Yeah, this one, everything is added now automatically with shred-cn, so you don't need this one anymore. You could maybe even remove this whole button from here. And this one is leading to here. Is there anything else? Yeah, there is actually nothing else for blocks.so. File upload, form layout, grid list. Yeah, pretty like now we have many projects like this. You should create some blocks that don't exist anywhere else probably. Now all of these blocks are pretty repeated on every UI component library, blocks library. So you should probably have something else to, like, you have how many? Maybe here you have probably like 50 something blocks, maybe even more. So maybe to create something attractive, more attractive, maybe I thought that this onboarding is like, whoops, something happened. I jumped too fast. I thought that this onboarding is like real onboarding, you know, like dialogue that comes out here. I click next, and then it goes to the next part here, and then again dialogue, and then I'm going through everything like real onboarding. But it's just like an accordion where you click buttons and you do all the things for your steps, like with simple states. So you could maybe improve this one. That onboarding experience could be better. And why is this one here? What is this? Oh, this is like a way for us to test out in different, I guess, resolutions. Is that it? If that's it, then this one is not working. Let's try something else. AI components. Yeah, this is for different resolutions. Interesting. This is invisible. I haven't seen this one like until the end of this of the review. This one should probably be more visible. Yeah, here also it's everywhere. So we can everywhere here test like different resolutions with this one. Maybe here it's, yeah, here actually it's moving. Okay, then it's okay. Yeah, so here we can move it, and then we can move it here manually. Nice. Okay. So this one is not working for the onboarding for mobile. Is that right? Yeah. So this one is not working. You should fix this one. That's for sure. And other than that, pretty cool project. Please just add here a mod toggle switch for the light and dark mode. And that's it. Oh, also here you have 2025. Add just a JavaScript simple variable, and you don't have to worry and think about this ever again. Like just add that new date and get the year out of the date, nothing else. Awesome. That's it. Let's see how many projects we had by the end of this live stream, and let's see who do we have here. Yeah, it's good UI. I love it. And 54. So what am I going to do now? Here I put this delete all projects thingy, import this method, and it gets me this button. I click that delete, and now we have here in the reviewed projects, we have episode 12 where we are getting all the projects that we saw today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it possible that we saw 10 projects today? What in the hell? Okay. And that's it. So thank you very much for watching this live stream. Yes, Jay, you really had luck with that one. Like the 2 projects on one live stream, that's really awesome. And Oh, really? Why? I don't know why. On all of my projects, it just worked automatically. It was probably cached. It's some kind of cache that you had, and that's why it wasn't working. Probably something like that. Yeah. Have a nice week. I'm going to delete now everything from the pool, and then you can resubmit again. And Shadow, I want to see 100 projects for next live stream. You have now the API, so you can now just put in whatever you like and YOLO. What the hell? Let's go. Awesome. See you guys. Really glad to see you all here on the live stream, and see you next week. Next week, again, Tuesday. I'll schedule it tomorrow. See you guys.